And what we're going to do here now is along here when it rains, all the water kind of runs this way down here underneath the sea can and settle on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a ditch down here past where we're standing, back behind the sea can and out that way. So then all the water that runs off this hillside will run into the ditch and then go that way. So it'll stop washing out in front of the sea can and making a big puddle of water right here and also right there. But I just leveled that out so you can kind of see it's a bit damp in there. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we'll put you guys up here and I'll start here and I'll dig my way down. I'll be right back. I'm just using the back part of the bucket there to flatten the ground out after I scooped it out to try to pack it down so it doesn't erode too much. it's not perfect. Oh, like, how do you guys get these things off the tripod so quick? You got some kind of way you clamp it on? I'll find that out. Hit or miss. It's hard because the sea can's right here and the ass hits the bank when I spin. I'll try it like this. probably 8 or 10 inches deep. It's all the way down. And out there. The puddle's there, well, I'll channel it over somewhere else, but for now it stays away from underneath the sea can. The ditch I did there a few days ago, made a few adjustments to it. Still goes down here around the sea can. But before, I had it going out there. I didn't want any water to go to the septic field or anything, so we put a ditch out down there. And one from under the sea can in case any water gets in. Just got it coming out there. It's really hard to see on video. Here we go. Coming out from under the sea can. Joins into this one. And the wasps are everywhere. Through this big topsoil mess that I have put down here. This is all the area that I've been dumping topsoil. Let the ditch come all the way down here. And over the hill. Water can go down there. Yeah, so that's that. All the ditches now are all full of leaves, but I also dug this one down here, kind of drain out around there, just to try to keep all the water off everything that we leveled. Of course, it's fall now. This is November, middle of November. So it looks a lot different now. It smells nice out, all the leaves. Give this ground a bit of time to settle. This is the ditch I dug earlier this year come fall. Of course, it's all full of leaves. Can't tell the depth there. So far it seems to be holding up quite fine. It's all the way up there. And under the sea can. Goes into the ditch. Gets a little deeper down here, as you can tell. A little snow.